Thank you, Angela ji. We all know that we are going through a very difficult phase in our society, going through hopelessness, despair. But so long, all these cases, all these figures, they were just statistics for me. But that changed completely on 22nd April when I heard that Amrish Jain Hospital. I was hoping again, hope that he will come back. He will be a fighter. He cannot give up so easily. But very next day, I was shattered in the very morning that he is no more. I could not believe my ears that this could happen because the very previous week I had long chat with him, very previous week. So it was not long ago. I don't remember when I met him first, but it was in CSD in some seminar. And I remembered he came to me and introduced himself to me. And then we had a long chat about what was happening in education and other sectors. And after that, I would meet him off and on in CSD, but we always have, some time just two of us, talking about things that would interest us. But when I joined CSD last year, things changed completely. And it so happened that, my room and his room was in the same floor. And when I go to my room, I have to go through his room. So we always, say hi. And of course, we would always find some time to talk. And I must say that he was an activist is an understatement because I'm not an activist. I am a social scientist. But I would take huge amount of knowledge understanding from him. I would get very practical knowledge about what is happening in the country, especially in North India, what kind of social changes are occurring, what kind of political situations is prevailing, and what rural economy is happening, what is happening there. So all those things would interest me, and he had all the detailed knowledge that probably people would not know. So I found him as a teacher, as a friend, and a philosopher also because I subscribe to his view of life in many ways. And we, of course, also talk about our families and, almost everything under the sun. So he became a very, very close friend of mine. So with his death, I have lost a very, very good friend. When I go to my office next time, I don't know how I will enter my office, how will I face the room where he was sitting. It will be very, very painful to me and to imagine that he would never come to this room. He would never come and discuss those things with me. We talked things about CSD, we talked things about RT, but we talked so many things, and I will miss all that. So it's a huge personal loss to me. I know it is a loss for the movement. His place would be difficult to be filled up by anybody else. But we have the responsibility. We have to take his mission forward. And RT has to move forward. The show must go on. And I know as the director of CSD, I also have my responsibility. And whoever is chosen by the RT stalwarts as a successor, I will give my full support, full cooperation to him or her, and I think that would be my best tribute that I can give to him. With his death, he showed what is wrong with our system, the system against which he was fighting, and the same system finished him. So the fight must go on, and we must ensure that the system is reformed, and we can ensure what he was trying to do. The fight goes on, and one day we end up ensuring what he wanted. He was actively involved in education field, but CSD also has interest not in education but health also. So just like education for all, we also want health for all, and this is where we also discuss very often, in the same breath. And I know we do research, we do studies, but we are not good enough to take it to logical conclusion where things should go. And that's where he played a very, very complementary role to CSD's activities. And that's why our partnership with RT Forum was so important, because education has been a very, very important component of CSD's work. So we have, you can say, a very, very sort of vested interest in partnering with RT, because without that our research, our studies would lose significance. It will not, you will not take them to logical conclusion. So I would like to continue working with RT Forum, keeping his mission in mind, keeping his memory in mind, keeping all he wanted in mind. Thank you all for inviting me to share my feeling. It's a very short time, but many people will speak, so I would end here. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, sir. अम्बरीश भाई ने एक बात कही थी कि अगर मजबूत शिक्षा व्यवस्था हो तो लोकतंत्र की सही परीक्षा वही होगी. And for this very important role of teachers he felt in earlier stage as well. मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा ऑल इंडिया प्राइमरी टीचर्स फेडरेशन के अध्यक्ष श्री रामपाल सिंह जी से कि वो अपने विचार व्यक्त करें. श्री रामपाल सिंह जी.